Bing. Bing means frog. Medak. Chaw. Chill. Eagle. Cha. Tea. Cha. Chagul. Chagul means goat. Bakri. Jaw. Jol. In Hindi also we call jal. In Sanskrit also we say jal. Jal, Udak, these are used in Sanskrit. Then jaw, jheel, lake, hiya. Then tomato, Thakuma or Thakurma, grandmother, dab. It's a kind of coconut you can see in market. ढाक ड्रम, इंडियन ड्रम्स, नगाड़ा जिसको बोलते हैं, व्हाट यू कॉल नगाड़ा, मूर्धन्य, हरिण, हिरण, तीमी, वेल, थम, पिलर, दादा, ग्रैंडफादर, और इन बंगाली वी कॉल बड़ा भाई, big brother. In Hindi we call Dada means grandfather. Dham, Puri Dham. Nrip, king. Or Nutan, new. Pakhi, chidiya. Phal, fall, fruit. Bagh means tiger. Bhaluk or Valu, bear. Mohish. What do you call buffalo, or in Hindi we call bhais. Then Untusthu jaw. Untusthu jaw. We are not using ear. Untusthuja means Yagyavalkya. It is the name of an ancient saint. Ancient पुराने ज़माने की ऋषि एक थे, तो उसमें ये य का यूज़ होता है, या जॉब, जौ जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं. इट इज़ ए काइंड ऑफ ग्रेन. राम, law, Love and Kush, Ram's both the sons. You have seen in the TV serial Ramayana. Or love means prophet. Bagh or Bulbuli. Bagh means tiger. Bulbuli is a kind of bird. Talbot Shah, Sheal. Sheal means fox. Then Murdana Shah, Shan. Bull, Dantashah, Singho, lion, Hanuman, Veer Hanuman. You must have heard. Undastaya. Then Khandata, Brihat, very big. Anushwar, Bongsho, family. Visarga, Dukkho, sorrow. Chandrabindu, Bas. Then you see that apart from these, I have told you that this is called Kaminishka or Akshar. Khoti. Khoti means loss. Kheer or kheer. Kheer. It is a kind of sweet made with milk and made with milk, rice, sugar and so on. 30, Gyan, knowledge or wisdom. So please write it. Now I have decided that in our next class we will So please, I am giving you 5 minutes. Please write down. Write it. Please write down. And today I will also explain one chapter in Bengali. Now it is given in your Bengali book. Now boys, see that this is your Bengali book. And we will straightway come to this chapter. Nitya Gopal Babu's Chele Mera. Nitya Gopal Babu's Chele Mera. We will explain this chapter. Now boys, your homework is please rewrite the consonants and learn. And also I am explaining you page 7 of this chapter, Nitya Gopal Babu's Chele Mera. Nitya Gopal Babu is the name of the head of the family, and Chele Mera means his son and daughter. I'd like to read this chapter. Please see this chapter in your book. Nitya Gopal Babu, ek chele, ek mein. Nitya Gopal Babu has one son and one daughter. Cheler naam Kalyan. The name of the son is Kalyan. Barakpur College पढ़े. He reads in Barakpur College. Now Barakpur is a place in West Bengal. Mer naam Punnalata. The name of his daughter is Punyalata. Shukanya Vidyapite पढ़े. She studies in Shukanya Vidyapit. Vidyapit means school. Punnalata bhalo গান গায়. Punyalata sings well. বেশ কাজের মেয়ে. She is very active. মাকে সংসারের কাজে সাহায্য করে. She helps in her mother to perform household job. Nitya Gopal Babu ছোট ব্যবসায়ী. Nitya Gopal Babu is a small trader. শ্যামনগর বাজারে ওর কাপড়ের দোকান. He has got a cloth shop in শ্যামনগর market. উনি ছেলে মেয়েদের লেখাপড়ার জন্য সাধ্যমতো ব্যয় করেন. He spends money on the education of his children, that is son and daughter, as per his capacity. ছেলে মেয়ে দুটি লেখাপড়ায় ভালো। both his son and daughter, that is children, are very good in studies. ওরা মা বাবার খুব বাধ্য। They are very obedient to their parents, that is mother and father. কিছুদিন আগে নিত্যগোপাল বাবুর কঠিন ব্যাধি হয়েছিল। Sometimes back Nityagopal Babu had terrible, he had very few days, sometimes back Nityagopal Babu was sick, very sick. শরীরে অসহ্য ব্যথা। He had terrible pain in his body. 7 দিন শয্যাশায়ী ছিলেন। He was completely bedridden for a week, that is 7 days. 1 week comprises 7 days. ঔষধ পথ্য করে সদ্য আরোগ্য লাভ করেছেন। He recently got well after taking medicine and proper food. এখনও দোকানে যেতে পারেন না। Still he cannot go to shop. কল্যাণ এখন বাবার ব্যবসা দেখাশোনা করছে। Now Kalyan is taking care of his father's business. নিত্যগোপাল বাবুর ছেলেমেয়েরা সত্যিই খুব ভালো। The children of Nityagopal Babu, that is his son and daughter, are very good indeed. So in short, I would like to tell you the story. This Nityagopal Babu ছেলেমেয়েরা, this is a story of an ideal family. In fact, and the head of the family is Nityagopal Babu. Apart from his wife, he lives with his